Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 mini electric chainsaws. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, electric chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Nova. Feature, anti-slip grip. Finishing, not coated. Material, metal. Pruner type, bypass. Pruning tool type, pruning saws. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. The item number 2 is 24 volts mini chainsaws. Specifications. Brand name, Nova. Motor type, brushed. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Dimensions, 4 inches. Max. Cutting width, 10 centimeters. Blade diameter, 4 inches. No load speed, 1,200 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 550 watts. Frequency, 5 meters per second. Rated voltage, 24 volts. Power source, battery. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Wasai 20 volts mount series 6-inch brushless chainsaw. Specifications. Brand name, Wasai. Power source, battery. Saw type, chainsaw. Weight, 1.81. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Dimensions, 14.09 by 8.5 by 5.55 inches. Model number, WSDSJ20. Motor speed, 0 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. Motor, brushless motor. Chain length, 6-inch chain. Battery capacity, 2.0 Ah, 3.0 Ah, 4.0 Ah. Charger adapter input, 100 to 240 volts. Charging time, 1 to 2 hours. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.